Hello everybody. I've been asked by the guys at Tool Talk and Expert Trades to give you a review of these. Let me just see that you can see that. The ProFit hole saw set for drilling through wood. I've got to say, these things are brilliant. Fantastic. I can't tell you how good they are at chewing through timber. I'm not going to post a video of me cutting holes. There's plenty of them on the internet already, but these things really do work. I think they're a great product, easy, quick change, fantastic. Couldn't tell you how happy I am to receive them. To attach the hole saw, it is literally push a small button here. They've taken it off. Again, click, and it works. Chew through metal, chew through wood, no problem at all. Nice tidy hole, no burnout at the end, and a great time saver. If I have to give you a negative point, and it is only a small one, it's that this piece doesn't have an interchangeable drill bit. So if it gets blunt, you are into sharpening it. If you haven't got that piece, then you are going to be looking at buying a new arbor, shall we say. But as long as you're careful, you know what you're drilling through. I don't see that as a problem, really. Great piece of kit. Love it. I should be putting this into my toolbox and using it as much as possible. It comes in a nice little box. There was two there for a starter kit. The other one isn't as nice as this one now, as I've been drilling through various bits of timber to see how good they are. I've got to say I was very, very impressed. Nice and tidy and well worth the money. I've got to say I shall be looking out for these in the future and keeping them in my toolbox. Great addition. Well worth having. Really pleased. Hope you enjoyed this small but short review, and look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you.